Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect ReportViewer to SQL Server. We have two main points here. Number one, we connect to SQL servers and we should provide the username and password and also the server names also. Number two, and we will get some data from the server. So now let's go together. I open Microsoft Visual here, click new, okay, and then click aggregate, okay. I add report viewer here like this. And then I right click here, I choose add new items, and then we go to reports, we choose a report here and then click add like this, okay. On the left side you see the report data. If you cannot see the report data, you can find here, you click on view and then click here report data, okay. So here on dataset we right click it and add dataset here, okay. Click next, and then here we choose the connection. So in this one I will add the new connection here with the new. I provide the server name here, the server name, I copy it and pass it, and here we use SQL Server authentication. We click here, we provide the user, my user is Sha, the password 123, okay, and here the database are list in here, you can see here. So I choose the testing database here, okay. We can test the connection, that's it, okay, we connect it success. So we click OK, okay. So we choose yes here, include sensitive data in the connection string. Next, and then here is the table in the database view or function or store procedure here. So I will need direct to the table. I use employee information here. I check here and click finish and click OK. So now we get one dataset here, and then on the report you click on the report viewer and right click on it. We add table here, and then on the table you can see here, we click on it, yes, okay. We click here, employee EMP ID, employee name, gender, and you can add more column here. Okay, I add more position and address, okay. So now we go to our form here, click click on form. Okay, we scroll it here. We double click on it and click on this one, you can see here, and then choose a report. You can click drop down here. We see here is our reports. Choose it. Okay, that's finished. So now we run together. So here is, you can see this is already it's from the database. Okay, thank you for watching.